Yeah.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
The whole thing. Big old
like
ghost.
tents
It's
with
like,
gold on it.
in case I need to, get closer, I can always look down this thing here.
You don't see that advertising. Don't shoot.
Oh, anything's better than nothing.
Everything you ever want.
I would have much rather than a guy with a bullet in Russia.
One of you was on
So what harder to find bullets?
only with Nerf guns.
Damn right. I do that with Nerf guns.
Just happened to be a balcony.
Yeah?
I got the Coyote brown one.
Nice.
The flag game. Unlimited respawn. Respawn is here. Okay?
Max, it's either get the flag, max, unlimited respawn, or 30 minutes. 30 minutes passes, game's over.
Are you sticking around for a few?
I know.
We're all going to be shooting. We're going to be lined up and
End up.
Well, we're always on
Definitely, I'll be like,
Facebook. Join our.
Hit me up on Facebook and just put I got you shit, dude. So, yeah, I'll get that shit for sure. 26 paintball rental guns and all the area and everything.
Pretty cool.
I don't, man.
I think it'd be fun to do a paintball versus airsoft game, dude. You guys want to get the guys to do it, I'm pretty sure. Sure, that'd be a blast, dude. I think it'd be a really good time.
We have an advantage, though.
We got it. That'll be awesome. That'll be awesome. Yeah, for sure, man. I'd be more than willing to do that. That'd be a lot of fun. I know most of these guys would probably be down with that too. Airsofters would have to wear a paintball mask, but
We'd have to go up in the hills or something because you can't do it out here.
yeah, tons of paintball masks. Well, I got a few.
I'm getting a new gun.
Alright, do we know the teams? Let's get this going.
Alright, what we're gonna just gate and over there where we start and then go in. Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Hey man, I'll get at you for sure.
Sounds good.
What are we doing for teams?
Well, if we just have two captains and we'll have everyone else line up and then have captain.
Have two captains and you just pick?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you wanna do that?
And you?
Yeah, I'm gonna just choose first. Make sure I got a... Okay.
Get out of the crossfire here.
Well, let's go over here.
Yeah, we'll go over here.
You having a duel? Yeah, pretty much.
We're deciding it now, guys. Rock, paper, scissors.
Orange squad, hey!
I'm really excited.
Yeah, that's what this is, man. This is a firing squad.
Why don't you guys just hold the guns to each other's nuts and pull the trigger as many times until somebody falls?
Wait!
Hold up. Cassidy. Make them shoot each other in the nuts till they fall.
I'll count us out.
I watched a video on YouTube of two competition shooters, and one had an old Colt big shooter. And the other one's
Go!
Oh, did you hit the face?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
That's good.
Call me quick off! I didn't see it. How did you do it? You went like this and hit him in the face? Oh my god.
Hip fire got me. I was like,
Damn!
no!
Right? You're fucking deadly with a pistol, man.
I can see it from here.
God damn.
Right on the tip of the nose, huh? Yeah, man. That's a kill shot.
That's sick. You guys went way too fast. I had like, oh shit. You guys
Hey, backing up all fast.
That was a far fucking nose shot.
Turn it off and go, like, oh! Alright. That was awesome. Yeah, man. Every single time now. Yeah, that's the way to
Get back to our shop. Okay, you know what? Here we go.
Makes you feel like a real cow.
10 paces.
Well, Crusoe, you're not taking for it.
Cover an event. So if we can find a piece of property that we're allowed to play on based on where it's done.
Looks like some fucking Western Okay, my M4 has an 8.4 volt battery, 3 high cap magazine, the sling that came with it, X box.
Because my idea is that
Watch out, get out.
my fundraiser to raise money for Coca-Cola, Black Hills.
Yeah, we don't want to we'll work out something.
I don't know how to with you either. They were getting close.
Hey, where's the little guy? Yo.
Right here.
Come here, my friend. You want to play with the bolt action? I got something else to mess with, so let's do this.
Golden boy.
I only
Yeah.
better, huh? Just to give you a quick tip. Bolt back. You still got that J click like you're to click. You want to start picking? You pick first. Or no, you
Or he wants
Yeah, he picked first. That's right. He fucking got you right in the nose.
Yeah.
I remember it.
I was thinking Cassidy.
I'm never going to be able to get because I'm not going against you.
Sorry, man. Like I've done a lot of self-defensive, shooting with pistols, and that's what taught me to shoot. Wow, that's amazing. Actually, what you're supposed to do is the next shot. Right in the throat. Oh yeah, am I taking again? Yeah. Josh.
Okay.
Fundy.
But you still got that M4?
Cole.
You're on my team. Alright. Here you go. I got pick Cole.
Yeah. You're my team.
Scott! You're on my team.
Hey, when you're carrying a gun, always carry it at the low ready.
Mike! You're on my team.
Right on.
I'm just yelling people that I know.
Regrets!
Really?
Eyes are all big.
Noah!
Just like,
You're on my team.
you have a gun? Good thing we're on the same team. Yeah.
What shirt?
I'm surprised I didn't get hit.
How many left?
Hey, what did I just say?
Are you still left? Are you on this team?
Treat it like a real
That's
weapon.
everybody, ain't it?
Think so, yeah.
I think that's everybody.
People are being too loose with where they're putting their weapons. I'm not liking that.
I don't like that either.
Yeah, because if I get into a tight...
Hey, just so everybody knows, treat this as a real weapon. If I see you flagging people with it, if I tell you 5 times, gonna leave for the day if you're out here. I'm not trying to be a jackass, but
Like around here, don't
like this,
Watch your barrel.
like this, walking around or going like this and fucking just going like that. Everybody's doing too much of that. Treat these as a real weapon because they actually forget to put on safe. This guy, his has his glasses off. Guess what? I actually fucking shoot the ground. It bounces up and ricochets and hits him in the eye. Some guy just lost his eye because you were being fucking careless. So, like, I'm not trying to be like mean. I don't want anyone to get this because I've seen it happen way too many times. And there are some new people here, so I just had to say. But I mean, I've seen it. Everybody's been pretty good about it. Just I've seen a couple instances. That's all. And if someone gets hurt, it's my ass. So.
I know you were looking around me for part of that, but I can't see your eyes. It's not like you're yelling at me.
Oh no, not at all. No,
my
bad. Yeah, I was wearing the glasses. No. I just mainly because I kept seeing him flag everyone, the little guy. But he's new and that's cool, and he's learning. So, you know, not everybody was brought up around weapons, so it's okay.
I think, we're gonna go corner. I'm gonna take over here.
Yeah, that's horrible if you get your...
And if you see me flagging people, make sure you smack me upside the head too.
I'll just shoot your ass.
Yeah, just, what the fuck were you thinking, Bam?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Dad, easy, man.
Only 3-round bursts though, don't hold it down.
Damn, I'm trying to get you a cover.
I have 3 other teams waiting. I'm not ready to go in. Be my guy. I think worse than that.
The only piece of bad news I got for you, if we do the trade, we paint it. I only painted the gold on the board, and I thought it might. Oh, dude, it actually looks badass. Don't get me wrong. I used to be like a motherfucker with the gold action. What I was gonna say. I was gonna.
That guy that was just here is a wholesale dealer of the Vulcan Airsoft, dude.
Yeah. Yeah.
My friend Gene knows a distributor in Nebraska for Airsoft. I don't know what
So
company,
we have
but
Vulcan, Airsplat, and then that guy from Deadwood talking about e-bike too.
yeah. I'll ask my friend Gene exactly who his spot or who his distributor is, because he was selling airsoft guns in Scotts Bluff. My friend Gene.
FYI, if that one's not mine.
That one's mine. No full shot. When you use the shot on that. Oh, that's cool. You can shoot it.
So we're a fucking belt.
Make sure.
Damn it. I'm like, keep running.
Pant pulling again.
Hey,
Just
guys.
running up against.
Hey, guys.
Let it finish.
So how are we ready? Flags running. They're ready in the middle.
They're ready? Flags right out in the
They're
middle.
going. They're already going, guys. They're gone, guys. Look.
Yeah.
Get all the way over there. You gotta pull the trigger.
Fuck.
That one guy just fucking throwing some fucking juice.